The first thing we want to do first is wipe our slate clean. And just with this, like with every step, let's just keep checking how we are progressing. Is it getting worse? Is it getting better? And everybody, the wiping is as simple as this with the right hand. And you will begin from the base of your lap. So from the base of the lap, cleaning from side to side, and go up as much as your hand can go up. And then start coming down. Finish at your lap. Give it 3 seconds for processing. And now that we've wiped clean, we want a sweetheart. So we're going to sweetheart completely top to bottom. So sweethearting and clapping as our hands meet. And we're going to energize the sweetheart as well with the tips of your fingers, but any one hand only. Around, you're going to draw that circle. And at the bottom left, you are going to trace the 2, which is the oxygen symbol.